Now let's see how you can solve a triangle by using the law of tangents and the law of sines. We already discussed the law of sines before, so let's discuss the law of tangents. Again, it's the same as the law of sines and the cosine formula. You can use it to solve triangles that are not right angle triangles, because otherwise you can just simply solve it by using the trigonometric ratios. So let's say you have this triangle over here. This is angle alpha, so the opposite side is A. Angle beta, the opposite side is B. The angle gamma, and the opposite side is C. Now, the law of tangent says that, for example, if you had B minus C over B plus C, that would be equal to tangent of the angle opposite to B, which is beta, minus the angle, because since this is minus, right, this is minus, you'll have a minus over here as well, minus the angle opposite to C, which is gamma, over 2. And you'll do the same for the denominator, so tangent of beta plus, because it's plus over here, plus gamma over 2. Right? You can use the same logic for, say, a minus b. So a minus b is equal to a plus b, which is equal to tangent of the angle opposite to a is alpha, minus, because it's minus over here, minus beta over 2 over tangent of alpha plus beta over 2, right? So this is the tangent rule. And let's see a question. It says that the side B is 61, the side C is 32, and the angle alpha is 59 degrees and 30 minutes, right? Or 59.5 degrees. So beta plus gamma is equal to 180 minus alpha. Obviously, we need this beta plus gamma, so you can use this formula over here. And alpha, so yeah, basically beta plus gamma is equal to 120 degrees and 30 minutes. But we need beta plus gamma over 2. So you just divide this by 2, you get 60 degrees and 15 minutes. Now using the law of tangents, which is this formula over here, right? The same formula used over here. Now, you've been given beta plus gamma over 2, right? Which is this value over here. So now you can find out beta minus gamma over 2. So you can just cross multiply it over here. So tan beta minus gamma over 2 is equal to b minus c over b plus c into tan beta plus gamma over 2, right? Basically just multiply this on the left hand side. So you get this, right? So tan beta minus gamma over 2 is equal to 0.5456. So take the tan inverse of this and you get 28 degrees and 36 minutes. Cut this out, by the way. So yeah, beta minus gamma over 2 is equal to 28 degrees and 36 minutes. Now, beta minus gamma is equal to 2 times beta minus gamma over 2. So you get 57 degrees and 12 minutes, right? So you add up basically beta plus gamma and beta minus gamma, which gives you beta plus gamma minus gamma. So you can cut them out. So this is equal to 2 beta. So you were given the value of beta plus gamma before. I guess it was something like 120. Yeah, let me just rub this off just for clarity's sake, right? So beta plus gamma was equal to 120 degrees and 30 minutes, right? So beta plus gamma plus beta minus gamma is equal to 2 beta, which is equal to 120 degrees and 30 minutes plus 57 degrees and 12 minutes, which is 177 degrees and 42 minutes. So beta is equal to just 177 degrees and 42 minutes divided by 2, which is 88 degrees and 51 minutes. Now that you have the angle beta, you now subtract these same two equations, right? So that gives you basically beta plus gamma minus beta minus gamma gives you 2 gamma. So 2 gamma is equal to beta plus gamma, 120 degrees and 30 seconds, minus beta minus gamma, 57 degrees and 12 minutes, which gives you 63 degrees and 18 minutes. So divide this by 2 and you get 31 degrees and 39 minutes. So gamma is equal to this. So now you have alpha and beta and gamma. Now you can use the law of sines to find the sides. So A over sine alpha is equal to B over sine beta. Let me just rub all of this off. And yeah, so A over sine alpha is equal to B over sine beta, which gives you A is equal to B sine alpha sine beta, because we knew B from the start, it was 61, and now you can find out the value of A, which turns out to be 53.